now kickstart the first category awards, ladies and gentlemen. The first award for this evening is in the Equities Fundamental category. To present this award along with Shri Piyush Goyal, I would like to invite upon the stage Venugopal Dhut, Chairman, Videocon Industries, and Shri Ashish Chauhan, MD and CEO, Bombay Stock Exchange.
Alright, so let's take a look at the nominations. I'll repeat the category once again. This is Equities Fundamental. Let's take a look at the nominations. And the nominations are Yes Securities, IIFL Wealth, Enoch Ventures, Sher Khan, and Edelweiss Financial Services. And the winner is Enoch Capital.
Our next set of awards for this evening are in the category of Equities Technical. Let's have a look at the nominations.
JM Financial,
Kotak Securities, MK Global, Motilal Oswal, and Axis Securities. And the winner is Axis Securities.
Our next category is considered the backbone of any growing economy. And frankly, this was one of the most talked about sectors of the year gone by. Yes, you guessed it right. We are talking about banking. Let's take a look at the nominations. Centrum Wealth, Monarch Capital, IIFL Wealth, IDBI Capital, and India Nivesh. And the winner in this category is Centrum Broking. Next award is for the category of Pharma, Equities Pharma. Let's take a look at the nominations. It is India Nivesh, IIFL Wealth, Kotak Securities, Centrum Wealth, and Sher Khan. And the winner in this space is India Infoline.
And our next set of awards is in the category of Equities Auto. Let's have a look at the nominations. IIFL Wealth, India Nivesh, IDBI Capital, Edelweiss Financial Services, and Kotak Securities. And we have a tie here. The winner is India Nivesh and India Infoline. The next set of awards are for the category of Core Sector. This sector is the most challenging because nominations here range from metals to infrastructure to oil and gas and to steel. Let's have a look at the nominations.
IIFL Wealth, Monarch Capital, Geojit BNP Paribas, Sher Khan. In fact, IIFL had 2 entries. So who's the winner?
The winner is Sher Khan. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's take a look at the nominations in the Best IPO Advisory category. And the nominations are India Nivesh, Centrum Broking, Yes Securities, Prabhudas Leeladhar, and Aim Securities. And the winner in this category is Yes Securities.
And with this, we move on to the market, which has undergone a reformist change. Yes, our next set of awards are for the commodities market. Let's start with Commodities Fundamentals category. The nominations in this space are Trustworth Solutions, SMC Comtrade, Mondelicious, Edelweiss Financials, Garvey Commodities.
And the winner is
Mondelicious.
The next category is for the Commodities Technical, and the nominations are Trustline Commodities, Angel Broking, Religare Commodities, Garvey Commodities, and Trustworth Solutions. And the winner is Trustline Commodities.
The The next set of awards are for the commodities forex category. And trust me, this was a really challenging space with all the volatility that we had due to international events. The nominations in this category are Anand Rathi Commodities, Angel Broking, Religare Commodities, Trustline Commodities and Share Khan. And the winner in this category is Anand Rathi Commodities.
The next category is for the commodities bullion, and the nominations are SMC Global, Moneylicious, Kotak Commodities, Motilal Oswal and SSJ Commodities. Let's take a look at who the winner is.
And the winner in this category is Motilal Oswal Security. In the commodities agri space, and now this very sensitive space, let's have a look at the nominations in this category. KDA Commodities, Kotak Commodities, Nirmal Bang Commodities, Jofin Commodities and Religare Commodities.
And the winner in this space is KDA Commodities.
And the final set of awards for commodities space, commodities medals, and the nominations in this space are Motilal Oswal, Karvi Comtrade, Religare Commodities, Kotak Commodities and SSJ Commodities. And the winner is Karvi Comtrade.
Every year, in our in-house research and jury throws up some surprises. There are firms who challenge the status quo and emerge as the winners. To present the next set of special awards, I would now like to invite on stage Shri Vallabh Bhansali, Chairman ENAM. Sir, can you join us on stage with Shri Piyush Goyal to present our next set of awards?
Well, we see that the broking industry has undergone a sea change in recent times. Efforts by the government and the regulator have given the industry wings to fly. Our next winner is a beneficiary of these reforms. Please welcome on stage the winner of Zee Business Market Excellence Awards for the Best Emerging Broker of the Year. The award goes to RK Global. Can we have on stage Sri Mr. Amit Bhankchega, CEO, RK Global.
I am really thankful on behalf of RK Global, the recognition that's been just awarded to us, and it looks that honestly the discussion that we were happening and the suggestion that you were making that not the same winners should be repeated again and again, I think so. They've just heard it and decided to pick another cherry from the basket. But I would like to thank once again.
Congratulations once again.
Congratulations, Amit. No financial awards can be complete if we don't recognize the technology that everyone are talking about so much. We are talking about technology which has made investing easy. Our next winner has created a record of sorts by merging technology with wealth creation. India Infoline has emerged as the most preferred mobile trading platform of the year. May I now invite on stage Sri Nirmal Jain, Chairman IIFL, and Sri Venkat, Vice Chairman IIFL, to receive the award for the Digital Innovation of the Year in the broking industry.
Congratulations for the third award this evening, Mr. Jain.
I accept this award with all humility on behalf of all my colleagues at IIFL. In fact, we spoke about ease of doing business. Digital innovation is all about ease of investing. And just as Zee has reached out to heartland of India and connected to the heart of every Indian, as our Honorable Minister pointed out, our objective, our goal in digital innovation is to reach out to the smallest town, the smallest corner, the smallest investor, and deliver the best value at the lowest price. Thank you.
Congratulations once again, sir. Now, every year we recognize some of the leaders of the industry who have helped India to take the giant leap in the capital markets. Mergers and acquisitions are part of any growing economy. Our next winner is a man without whose contribution many deals and IPOs would have struggled. Shri Ashok Wadhwa, Group CEO, Ambit Holdings, to receive the award for the special contribution to capital markets. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause.
Well, thank you, Zee, for bestowing this award on behalf of the many people who work very hard for Ambit. It's a great time to be in India, as I said, when capital is available in abundance and targets are relatively easy. And whether Brexit is, as I said, good for others or not, assets in Europe will become cheaper for Indian companies. So capital coming from United States and Canada, North America, assets in Europe augurs very well for future M&A activity out of India. So thank you very, very much. We hope to see more of this.
Congratulations, sir.
Sometimes the history is made silently. Our next winner is one such person. His company has delivered almost, hold your breath, 1800% return since it listed in 2005. Arguably, one of the most successful IPOs of the decade. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage Shri Rana Kapoor, co-founder, MD and CEO of Yes Bank.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished Minister, Subhashji, Chairman, Zee Group, Honorable Member of Parliament, I'm totally delighted to receive this award on behalf of my organization. The best part is, I think we are unique as a company, as a bank. We are unique because we have built something different. And the difference lies in building professional entrepreneurship. I think the Minister alluded to that the new age entrepreneurship in India has to be driven by new age leaders, in a way. And Vallabhbhai was my IPO leader when he was in ENAM at that time. But I must confess one thing, that the entrepreneurial spirit of India, the startup India, digital India, is really now percolating, and even in banking institutions like ours. All I want to confess is that an institution like ours, which is now a small, large bank, has gone through all the headwinds of the difficulties of the global crisis, of the Indian crisis, and now we are at a very sensitive stage to work towards the growth scenario, which is looking very, very encouraging, with outstanding government policies, with support of macroeconomic and fiscal dispensation, which is on the way.